Subscribe to Dump Theft.
Of drivers who they say routinely shut down the intersection.
Simone says despite some police response, the group keeps coming back. This video posted November 11th.
Anybody calls and sees that type of activity, we will respond. It is something that we're responding to.
Tells us they are in the operational phase of trying to stop these groups, engaging in what they call swinging and describe as reckless and illegal behavior.
What up, Dope Theft fam? It's your boy Dope Theft out here with another video. And today, guys, we're going to be installing some headlights. So we're going to be installing these new headlights, but unfortunately not on my truck. We're going to be going with a different style on my truck. I'm going to be getting rid of the color changing ones I have. But we will be installing these on my homie's truck. His name is Dylan. And he has a maroon crew cab, cat eye. So he's actually going to be pulling up to my house in a couple minutes. And he actually has these headlights on already. But the ones he has are all chrome. And these are blacked out in the bottom and a little bit blacked out on the edge. So they're going to be a little bit different style from what he has, but it's going to be the same LED shape that he has currently. So hopefully it gives the truck a different look. But yeah, just waiting for him to pull up and we can get these on his truck. And if you guys are interested in purchasing some headlights, I got these from YITAmotor.com. I'll put the links down in the description. They also have an Amazon page. I'll also put the link down in the description. So make sure to check them out, guys. But yeah, these will fit from 03 to 06 and also the 07 classic bodies. But I'll get back to you guys when he pulls up and we get ready for the install. Cheers. Go over there, guys. About to pull up. We got the little setup over here. Got some shade. What's up? Alright guys, so the homie just pulled up right here. This is crew cab. Clean. Alright guys, well the homie has some shit to do, so he let me borrow the mamalona for right now. So we're gonna go ahead and just start the install ourselves, guys. It's not too hard anyway, so I mean I've done this a million times on my truck. So you know, these have little levers. I always just put them to the side so I don't lose them. Say hi, Chan.
Just like, subscribe to my dad and watch his videos.
And put a balls. Bump it. I love you. Alright, back to the video. So, remove the headlights. You want to take off the little safety pin and you want to unplug your bulbs. And then on these, as you can tell, they tapped into his existing wire for the U-bar to work. But the way they did it before, they just cut and rewired these into it. The way I'm gonna be doing it, just to make the whole installation and uninstall process easier, is we're gonna be adding, I'm gonna be using these splicing clamps. You pretty much put one wire through here and the one you're splicing in here, and you squish it together. The cool thing about these is, obviously, if you did want to, you can always open these up and remove the wires. But we're gonna go ahead and take these off, and then take this whole side off. We'll do this whole side, and then we'll do a before and after, so you guys can tell the difference of the new ones and the old ones. So let me start disconnecting some of this tape so I can get through and see how these are connected. Alright, so now we expose some of this wiring. So this is how it's gonna go. This black wire is ground. This red one to the brown one is power. So we're gonna be connecting those same ones with these same ones. There we go. Boom. Okay. So, like I said, pretty much the same thing. Black with red, black with red. That one with that one, this one with this one. We're gonna go ahead and do this wiring and get it connected to this wiring. Alright guys, here's the first one. As you can tell, clean install. Now we're gonna go ahead and do the next ground. We got both of them in. Now, all we wanna do is test them out, make sure they turn on. There's the homies IG. If you wanna go ahead and follow them, give them a follow. But yeah, we just boom and boom. They're working. Hell yeah. So time to switch this one out. Now we're moving down to the bottom one. We don't want to put the top one in yet because we want enough room to take this one out. So this one usually has a little clamp back here. Now that we have it off, we just want to disconnect this bulb. We disconnect this bulb and disconnect it from here. And that's it for that one. Here's the new one. Damn, so we got a little bit of damage on this one, guys, unfortunately. So I'm gonna hit up the company, see what they say about it, or hope they can send me a whole new set out, or see what happens. So we're gonna install this one just like this for now. I hit up the company that said they will send me a new one out, so whenever the new one comes in, I'll just tell the homie to pull up and we'll replace it for him ASAP. Good thing is, this one doesn't really require any wiring except for this little plug. Plugs into this one. That's about it. Just make sure that's plugged in the right way, because sometimes if you plug it the opposite way, it won't turn on. Alright, so plugged in right. Go ahead and connect all this back. What it looks like now, guys. This is gonna be your after and your before. What do you guys think about that blacked out look? I think it looks way better. Let's go ahead and finish up this side. Pretty much going to be replicating what we did on this side to this side. There we go, guys. Final look. Now we can go ahead and peel this off. Fresh. I think definitely they look way better with the smoked out, blacked out look than they did with the chrome ones. What do you guys think? Comment down below. That's it for the install, guys. You just gotta wire them up, make sure they turn on, put everything back together. You guys have any more questions? Comment down below. But I think we're done for today. Today's install. Like I said, if you guys are interested, I'll put the link down in the description. If I find any discount codes, I'll make sure to put them down below as well. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.
Subscribe to Dope Theft.
Perfect.